Imagine that someone tells you that there are 1,70,000 vocabulary words in the English language. What would you say? Maybe you would say that it's impossible to speak English language fluently because this is a huge amount of vocabulary in the English language and it's impossible to remember. I used to think same, but the truth is different. Let's understand how many words actually you need to improve and talk English language. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you all are doing great. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you know that my name is Gulasan and this is our day 8 of 30 days English speaking challenge. Few days I couldn't send videos because I was unable to upload videos, and also I wore this glasses because of infection in my eyes. So my friends, today we are going to talk about a question that almost every English learner asks. The question is, how many words we need actually to talk English language? How many words we need to be a fluent speaker in the English language? Many English learners think that we should know all the English language words to talk in the English language. They open a dictionary and see thousands of words and feel afraid. They think it's impossible to speak English language, that we can never improve our English language. If you think same thing, let's talk about this. Truth is that even native speakers don't know a lot of words because English language contains a huge vocabulary and it contains words related to technical, historical and scientific words. So those words rarely used in the dictionaries in the conversations. Researchers estimate that even native speakers know almost 20,000 to 35,000 words. But here is a surprising part, that we don't need to learn all these words like a native speaker. We need just 2,000 to 3,000 words in the English language to become a fluent speaker. Yes, I'm not joking. Because in these 2,000 to 3,000 words, we can understand news, movies, newspaper, and all the daily life conversations. You may observe that I don't know a huge vocabulary. I'm using the same words, but I'm trying to speak. I know that I make a lot of mistakes. My sentences and grammar are not okay. I don't know advanced vocabulary, but I am still trying to speak English language. Here is one other thing that I want to share, that many students think that they used to remember vocabulary every day, but those vocabulary don't come while they speak. They forget which words they remember, and when they comes to speaking, they forget all the words. There are two types of vocabulary: passive vocabulary and active vocabulary. Passive vocabulary is what you have remembered. Active vocabulary is when you are talking, those words come naturally and you are speaking. When I am trying to speak, naturally those words are not coming to my speaking. Those words are in passive vocabulary. Vocabulary doesn't come to active vocabulary when we are not practicing a lot. Each word needs almost, if each word is used by someone almost 20 to 30 times, it usually comes to active vocabulary from the passive vocabulary. If you are improving your vocabulary, not practicing, so I think these vocabulary is not in your permanent memory, it's in your temporary memory. For after some time, when you will not practice, it will go on from your memory. So my friends, if you want to improve vocabulary, please practice every day and turn that vocabulary into your active vocabulary. My friends, don't try to memorize all the dictionary. Instead, use and remember some of the useful words in the English language and practice every day. Fluency and vocabulary comes from practice English speaking. So my friends, if you found this video helpful, please share and subscribe. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.